So we're going to replace a non-working light bulb in this microwave oven. You will need an Allen wrench in this particular microwave model to remove the screws. On the top of the microwave there are 5 screws. I removed all 5, but I actually only needed to move the front 3. The back 2 screws did not need to be removed. Underneath here there are 3 screws to be removed. It's hard to see, but you should be able to see them on your own model of your microwave. Here is where the bulb is. It is a E17 or T7 base to the light bulb. They are interchangeable. And here, put in the new bulb. And now you can see the light is working again in the microwave.